Real estate, including property, is considered an alternative asset class, not one of the three main asset classes, which are stocks, bonds, and cash. The reason for this is that real estate is less liquid than stocks, bonds, and cash, and it takes longer to buy and sell properties. Real estate investments can take many forms, such as buying a rental property, investing in a real estate investment trust, or REIT, or investing in a real estate crowdfunding platform. Each of these options has its own characteristics, risks, and potential returns. Real estate can be a great way to diversify a portfolio and has the potential for high returns. But it also comes with its own set of challenges. For example, it can be difficult to value real estate assets, and they can be affected by factors such as local market conditions and interest rates. Additionally, real estate investments often require significant capital and can be illiquid, meaning it can take a while to buy or sell a property. Another reason is that real estate is not as widely traded and it has a lower turnover rate than stocks, bonds, or cash. It's also considered to be less predictable. It's also important to note that real estate investments are generally considered to be long-term investments and are not suitable for everyone. Follow Legend Finance for more educational content on personal finance and in-depth tutorials. Stay tuned for more of our videos. So how do you get started in investing in real estate? There are several ways to invest in real estate, but some may be easier than others, depending on your goals and resources. Here are a few options. First, real estate investment trusts, or REITs. One of the easiest ways to invest in real estate is to buy shares of a real estate investment trust. A REIT is a type of investment vehicle that owns and manages a portfolio of properties and pays out dividends to shareholders. REITs trade on stock exchanges like stocks, which makes them easy to buy and sell. Second, crowdfunding platforms. Another easy way to invest in real estate is through crowdfunding platforms. These platforms allow you to invest small amounts of money into real estate projects, such as the development of a new property. You can invest in a variety of real estate projects, such as residential or commercial properties, and the platform typically handles the management of the property. We'll cover some of the popular options later in this video. Third, rental properties. Buying a rental property can be a great way to generate passive income, but it also requires a significant amount of capital and can be time-consuming. You would need to purchase a property, find tenants, and handle the day-to-day management of the property. Fourth, real estate mutual funds or ETFs. Another way to invest in real estate is to buy shares in a real estate mutual fund or ETF. These funds invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate-related assets and are managed by professionals. It's important to note that all of these options come with their own set of risks and rewards, and it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Additionally, investing in real estate traditionally requires significant capital, so it may not be suitable for everyone. One of the new and more affordable ways to invest in real estate is through crowdfunding platforms. We'll cover some of the popular ones. First, Fundrise. Fundrise is a real estate crowdfunding platform that allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate projects, including residential and commercial properties. They offer a range of investment options, including REITs and funds, which are diversified portfolios of real estate assets. Second, Realty Mogul. Realty Mogul is a real estate crowdfunding platform that allows you to invest in a variety of real estate projects, including commercial properties and rental properties. They also offer a range of investment options, including equity investments and debt investments. Third, Roofstock. Roofstock is an online marketplace for investing in single-family rental properties. They offer a variety of properties to choose from, along with property management services. Fourth, Rich Uncles. Rich Uncles is a REIT or real estate investment trust that allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of commercial properties. They offer a simple and easy way to invest in real estate with a low minimum investment requirement. Fifth, Patch of Land. Patch of Land is a real estate crowdfunding platform that allows you to invest in a variety of real estate projects, including residential and commercial properties. They offer a range of investment options, including equity investments and debt investments. It's important to note that these are just a few examples of the many crowdfunding platforms available, and that investing in real estate through these platforms comes with its own set of risks. Be sure to do your own research, read the offering documents, and understand the risks involved before investing. In summary, real estate, including property, is considered an alternative asset class. It can be a great way to diversify a portfolio, but it comes with its own set of challenges, such as being less liquid and less predictable, and it can require significant capital. There are several ways to invest in real estate, and some may be easier than others, depending on your goals and resources. One of the easiest ways to invest in REITs or through crowdfunding platforms. Other options are mutual funds or ETFs, which are more accessible to small investors. Another way would be to invest in rental properties, but that requires a significant amount of capital and can be time-consuming. Thank you for watching Legend Finance, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more of our content.